Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to use Google Bard AI to develop a new business idea. Before we dive in, let's understand what is Google Bard. Google Bard is an innovative AI tool designed to assist you in developing fresh and innovative ideas. It leverages the power of natural language processing to help you brainstorm and expand your business concepts. So let's start by identifying your interest. So the first step in using Google Bard to develop a new business idea is to identify your own interests and passions. This will serve as the foundation for your entrepreneurial journey, ensuring that your business aligns with what excites you. Next is you need to brainstorm business ideas with Google Bard. Once you've pinpointed your interest, Google Bard becomes your brainstorming partner. Input your initial thoughts and concepts into the AI tool. It will then provide you with a plethora of ideas, helping you explore with new avenues and refine your existing ones. Next is you need to research your target market. With a collection of potential business ideas at your disposal, it's time to delve deeper. Conduct thorough research on your target market to understand customer needs, preferences, and emerging trends. This step is essential for shaping your ideas into viable business ventures. Next is you need to develop a business plan. A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success. Outline your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. Your ideas, refined with the help of Google Bard, can now take shape in the form of a comprehensive plan. Next is to create content for your business. Content is king in today's digital landscape. Utilize your ideas to create compelling content that engages your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, quality content can drive customer interest. Next is to get leads and sales ideas with AI. Google Bard AI isn't limited to just idea generation. It can also provide insights on lead generation and sales strategies. Utilize these AI-generated insights to boost your business's growth potential. And the last one is to create a pitch deck to find investors. If you're seeking investors to support your business, a well-crafted pitch deck is crucial. Showcase your innovative ideas, market research, and business plan to attract potential investors and secure funding. So, in conclusion, Google Bard AI is a valuable tool for aspiring entrepreneurs. It can help you turn your interest into profitable business ideas, guide your research and planning, and assist in content creation and sales strategy. So, embrace the possibilities that Google Bard AI offers and let your entrepreneurial spirit flourish. Your journey to innovative business success starts here. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Google Bard AI to develop a new business idea. See you on my next video.